serious questions, you know? You're okay. Yes. I ended alright. Maybe yes. I'm not taking you there. What about Lily? What about like... We have money. We need money. What is the rarest form of furry? What's the rarest furry?